I am Judith Quaicoe, a PhD student in Business and Management. In this video, I'll be talking to you about Manufacturing Operations Management. Manufacturing Operations Management is the management of activities which transform materials and energy into finished products. Manufacturing operations involve the creation of tangible products within the constraints of environmental and social sustainability, and often involve large-scale machinery. Such operations produce consumer goods and agricultural produce, which create value and fulfill market requirements. Goods like food and beverages, electronics, automobiles, cosmetic and cleaning products are manufactured and packaged in a consumer goods factory for personal, household, or commercial use. Such processes are supervised by operations managers who oversee production schedules and ensure product quality. Technologies such as artificial intelligence analytics and Internet of Things sensors enable monitoring and reduction of waste. In agriculture, fresh food is packaged, processed, and sold as products to consumers. Manufacturing operations maintain food safety standards, optimize the supply chain, and assure timely distribution without waste with the help of precision agriculture and automation. So why are these operations management? Operations management is the management of any process which transforms some input into a useful output. Practitioners and scholars in these fields analyze workflows, implement lean methodologies, and integrate cutting-edge technologies to improve productivity. The goal? Higher efficiency, lower costs, and better sustainability. Technological advancements have revolutionized manufacturing operations. Digital twins aid in virtual simulations before actual implementation. Robotics streamline repetitive tasks, improve quality, and reduce costs, while AI improves decision-making. These innovations drive efficiency and agility. Beyond efficiency, manufacturing has profound impact on society. Sustainable manufacturing protects the environment by reducing resource consumption, waste, and carbon emissions, while creating safe work environment and contributing to economic development. Operations management bridges technology and human capital for a better future. Manufacturing operations management is not just production. It entails streamlining processes, integrating innovation, and leaving a positive mark on society. And that is what makes it an exciting field today and the future.